Hey everyone, and welcome back, and today I'm tackling an error I ran into while trying to format this new 512GB SanDisk microSD card on my PS Vita. The error pops up only when I'm in Vita Deploy getting the SD to Vita adapter ready for use. In this video, we'll go through some troubleshooting steps to help you get past this annoying error, so let's dive in. First things first, what does this error actually mean? Simply put, it's an issue with the SD card, the SD to Vita adapter, or both. The system doesn't like what it's reading, so it throws you this error. If you already jailbroken your system and you're stuck at this point, don't worry, there are a few things to fix this. Start by removing the SD to Vita adapter and the memory card. Now insert the memory card, but not all the way. Leave a little bit of it hanging off the edge. Sometimes these SD to Vita adapters aren't perfectly aligned, which can make it hard for the system to read the card. Reinsert the card and try again. If you see a message asking you to restart your system, you are good to go, and I highly recommend getting a new SD to Vita adapter. If you get the same error message, let's move on to the next step. Head over to the settings and under devices, make sure that YAMT is enabled and that your SD to Vita is set to UMAO. If it's not, just enable it and restart your system by completely turning it off. Go back to Vita Deploy and see if it worked. If you're still having issues, the next step is to check the SD to Vita adapter. If you're using a new microSD card like me, the adapter might be the problem. Try swapping it out with a different adapter and check if the system reads the card. If it works, the Vita will prompt you to restart. Once it's restarted, try formatting the card again, and it should go through without any errors. Now, if that doesn't work, then that means it might be your micro SD card and you'll have to get a new one, or you'll have to format it on your PC. And that's it, your expanded memory is now ready to go on one of the best handheld consoles out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips like this. Take care.